Allow peeling off gel polishes or builder gel without damaging or drying your nails. Perfect for beginners, nail arts and nail color swatches. 10 Free formula, vegan cruelty-free. Typically lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. Individual results may vary. Note: the gel base coat remains sticky after curing. At Murron, we are committed to provide high-quality products that don't compromise your health or hurt the environment. Murron gel polish application requires minimum preparation, cures under LED lamp in 30 seconds, lasts for weeks yet can be peeled off to remove without polish remover or damaging your nails. Our gel polish formulation is odorless, 10 free, vegan and cruelty-free. Top reviews from the United States. A solid game changer. I used to damage my natural nail when removing gel polish, and I didn't even want to attempt polygel nails. But using this as my base for both has been a lifesaver. Not only does it save on time and money, but my natural nails are not damaged when trying to remove my manicures.